In this video, I will talk about University of Siegen. Let's get started with their international graduate programs. Here are a list of their graduate programs: chemistry, computer science, economic policy, electrical engineering, human-computer interaction, mathematics, mechatronics, nanoscience and nanotechnology, physics, quantum science, and routes to democracy. Now let's move on to application deadline and for international master's degree program. Unfortunately, all of the program except human computer interaction, their application deadline for winter semester is over. Only you can apply for human computer interaction program till 15th of July 2023 for winter semester. Now let's go through the details of human computer interaction program. This program is not admission restricted and is available both in winter semester and summer semester. Let's check their admission requirements. If you are a graduate in business information system, computer science, business administration, design, psychology or sociology, or a comparable program, then you are eligible. But you have to complete at least 60 ECTS credit from the above mentioned subject areas, completed with a degree of 2.5 or better. So you have to complete your bachelor degree with a German CGPA 2.5 or better. Now let's check their language proficiency requirements. As the program is mostly held in English and only few courses and lectures can be heard in German, so sufficient skills in English must be documented. Like you have to provide TOEFL or IELTS or Cambridge certificate and or PTE certificate, and the required points are mentioned here. For TOEFL at least 94 points, for IELTS 6.5 or better, Cambridge B2, PTE academic at least 58 points. Here you can see estimated cost of living for students, which is total monthly cost 934 euros and 100 additional euro for once per year for residence permit, and the total of 11,208 euro per year. Now let's move on to the admission portal. First you will be here in this page. Now let's change the language first and then move on to admission and then click on register, and here you are. You don't need to fill this form. This is for bachelor degree program. Let's get started with your personal data. Fill all the information according to your passport. Let's set a password. The password should be at least 12 characters long. So let me pick one for me. Answer the security question and check this box and click on enter button. They have sent me an email, so I have to check my email and let me complete the verification process. As you can see, they have provided me a username and the password as I have chosen, and they have provided a link for verification. Let's copy the link and paste here. Okay, now let's log in with my username and password. So let's start with the application process. Let's select the yes option. You will receive update about your application of the or the provision of the new documents by email. So let's check it yes and save the selection. Now let's click on add an application. Select the degree, so let's select just masters and select a subject from here, human computer interaction, and all other field will be fill up automatically. So click next. Okay, in this entrance qualification you have to choose the acquired in, please select the abroad option, and in country choose your country, and university entrance qualification select general qualification for university entrance abroad, this option. And here please go through this instruction. They have mentioned that this must be between 1 and 4, maximum of 1 decimal places is allowed. If your grades are on a different scale, or if you do not know what to enter here, please enter 1. So I put 1 here, and I have selected the result publication date of my higher secondary certificate, and I'm clicking on next. Here they are asking for a letter of admission for previous semester. If you have a letter of admission from previous semester, please select yes and upload the letter of admission here. For my case, the option should be no, and I'm proceeding with this option. Here you have to provide your bachelor degree information, graduate degree, Bachelor of Science, major computer science, and completion date, university name, university address, and your CGPA in German grade, and your CGPA in your system, educational system, and the best possible grade in your system, and the lowest possible grade in your system. Hit next. Select this option no and hit enter. And entrance qualification, kind of entrance qualification, so I'm choosing subject related academic degree of Bachelor of Science and hit enter. So select the computer science option from here, and they're saying bachelor grade achieved. This should be in German grade, so I'm putting my CGPA here, translated in German grade, and hit next. Now let's talk about the English proficiency. Here I am choosing the option IELTS, and the result I achieved, and the certificate. Okay, my certificate is uploaded. Now I'm clicking on next. Here you have to upload your required documents. Like you have to upload your university entrance qualification certificate. Here I am uploading my higher secondary education certificate and transcript of record. Here I am uploading my transcript of bachelor degree, and here I am uploading the certificate of my bachelor degree, and here I have uploaded a motivation letter and a resume. And you can also upload your another PDF or another 10 PDF actually, if you are willing to showcase your portfolio design or your programming task. If you are from China or Vietnam, then you have to upload your additional APS certificate here. Now let's proceed with clicking the next button. As I have mentioned above, that this portion is for applicants who are from China and Vietnam, then they have to upload their APS certificate, otherwise you can go without uploading these documents and proceeding with clicking the next button. Here you can see a complete overview and the summary of your application. If you need to change anything, I mean any information, or you need to change any documents, then you can check once, and then by clicking here, I hereby confirm that the documents data entered is correct, and you can click on the submit button. Thank you.